Oof. This morning was great. We had a couple of dives up the Antenal. We had a beautiful sunrise run right around the Mirna river to the crest and back to the wonderful road that was done as a dam to stop the river from flooding back, I think. I think this is the point. Now, then we came to the Antenal, did a couple of dives. I we did a couple of dives, and then we're gonna do a short exploration run towards that bridge. Not sure what kind of bridge that is, but I don't see many cars, or it's just too far away. It's along the Mirna River, and we're gonna take you for a ride on a roof. We'll try to do some talking while doing it. Generally, the stay here was very interesting. The camping experience, or the glamping experience, was fun. The kids loved it, but I think I loved it more. Okay, we have some happy campers or wild camping guys over there. Well, let's not disturb them. People are enjoying themselves, let them. The kids loved it, I loved it. I did also, but the campsite was even cooler. What the fuck is this? I'm not gonna die now, hopefully. Oh. Okay. Oh, so the limitation is 30. Look at this, it's like heaven. It's very peaceful, Mirna, peaceful river. Bando. This is a Bando. private property. Very verboten. Yeah, who's gonna be here on Sunday morning? Peaceful Sunday morning. Nobody's here. Just some crazy FPV dudes. Well, last time I said that there's no geographical landmarks here. They're interesting to fly around and through, but this morning really disproved me. I wanted to do the query also, but the query is very off limits and I don't want to argue about retrieving my drone. If I accidentally flip into an excavator or something like that, so we're gonna do it the way we can from the outside. Okay, this is like my cue that I should be heading back. Let's see how to get back to the campsite. 18 fucking minutes. There's no outside route. Yep. It's not allowed.